Hello dear students, in this video I'm gonna explain similar triangle, page 198, chapter 5, lesson 4. In this topic we will learn how to prove triangles are similar by using angle, side, side, angle, side, and use triangle similarity to solve the problem. The first postulate is about angle, similarity. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. For example, here, angle A and angle D, they are congruent? Yes. Angle A, it is congruent with angle D. Angle B, they mentioned by two lines, so angle B, it is congruent with angle what? With angle A. Now, by using angle, okay, which is say if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles in another triangle, then the triangle are similar. Can I say these two triangles are similar? Yes. Okay, and this is the symbol of similarity, and this is one, it's congruent. Pay attention. Then let's see. Using angle similarity postulate, for example, in this case we have what? PT. It is, they say what? It's parallel to what? To RS, right? Or SR. So, because they are parallel, PR, okay? They are congruent, angle P and angle R? Yes. What about angle S and angle T? Yes. So, by using angle, these two triangles are similar by angle. The second one is side, similarity. If three sides, okay, if three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So you have to find them. So if they are proportional, then we can say the triangles are similar. The third one, if two sides of one triangle, okay, are proportional to two sides of another triangle, okay, included angles are congruent, then the triangles are what? Similar. For example, in this example, angle A and angle B, they mentioned by point, okay. So can I say they are congruent? Yes. Angle A and angle B, okay, and BA with ED, BC with EF are proportional. So by using side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. Let's solve an example about side. Here, as you can see, we have two different triangles, okay? This is the first one, and this is the second one. Sorry, I erased this one. It is 6. Okay. Then you have to find the corresponding angles. Okay. For PQ, it is corresponding with what? PQ is corresponding with PR, which is equals to 4 out of 6. It is in simplest form. No, it's not, so it will be 2 out of 3. Okay. The second one, PR, it is corresponding with what? When I'm going to use the other triangle now. It's corresponding to PS. Let's see. PR is what? It is 6. Out of PS is what? It's equals to 9. It is in simplest form. No, as a simplest form, it will be 2 out of 3. Divide by 3. Then the bases are corresponding to, we will say what? 3 out of 4.5. Can I solve this one? No, because you have decimal in denominator. So multiply each one by 10 because you have only one number after decimal. That's why multiply by 10, it will be 30 out of 45. Divided by 15, it will be 2 out of 3. Now, all the sides are proportional or no? As you can see, all of them equals to 2 out of 3. So by using side, 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 these two triangles are what? Are similar. Then we have this question. Pay attention. Again, even this one, it is two different triangles. The blue one, then the red one. Sorry. Now, as you can see, n is what? N is a common angle. So n1, angle 1, it is congruent with n2. Okay? Then, nm, okay, it is corresponding with what? With nl. Let's see. nm equals to what? 2.5. What about nl? We don't have nl, so you have to add this one and this one, which is equals to 4. So out of 4. 2.5 out of 4 multiplied by 10, it will be 25 out of 40. Okay? It will be, as a simplest form, it will be 5 out of 8 divided by 5. Then the other side, okay? NC, it is corresponding with what? With NH. Again, we don't have NH, so you have to add 3 with 1.8, which is equals to 4.8. Is equals to, this one, it will be 3 out of 4.8. Again, multiply by 10, it will be 30 out of 48. As a simplest form, divided by 6, this one, 5 out of 8. Okay, now we have angle. Proportionals of two sides are the same. So by using what? Side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. Okay, let's solve some exercise in our book. As you can see, okay, can you remember what's the measure of triangle? As I told you, it's 180. Okay, 81 plus 52 plus what equals to 180 plus 47. Okay, now angle A, it is congruent with angle F or no? Yes. By using the measure of triangle, angle A, it is congruent with angle F. Sorry. With angle F. Okay. Then angle C, it is congruent with angle H or no? Yes. So by using angle, can I say these two triangles are similar? Yes. Or you can say triangle of ABC, it is similar to triangle of HFG. Okay. Then the other one, question 2. Pay attention about this question. Again, it is two different triangle. Let's see. This is the first one and this is the second one. Again, we have a common angle which is equals to S. If S for this side is 90, of course for the other side is 92. So S1, it is congruent with S2, their right triangle. Now it is given angle P, it is congruent with angle T. Okay, again by using AA, these two triangles are similar. Then question 3, verify that the triangles are similar and write the similarity ratio. Show that K is congruent with E. Let's see. Okay, DF, it is corresponding with what? DF, it's corresponding with KG. Okay, KJ, which is equals to 6 out of 12. It is in simplest form? No, it will be 1 out of 2. The second one, DE, okay, DE, it is corresponding with what? With KJ. kj, which is equals to 8 out of 16. It is in simplest form. No, it will be 1 out of 2. Then the last one, ef, it is corresponding with what? With kl. It is 10 out of 20 as a simplest form. It's 1 out of 2. Okay. All the sides are proportional or no? Yes. All of them, it's equals to 1 out of 2. So by using similarity ratio, these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, so angle A, K, it is congruent with angle E. Now, this one show that and it's congruent with R. Let's see. You have to show that if it is if the ratios are given, no, so you have to find it the proportional. M, it is what? It's corresponding with what? Mn, it is corresponding with Mr. Mn, it is 4 out of 6. It is in simplest form. No, it will be 2 out of 3. The other one, pay attention please about this point. MP, the base of the first triangle, MP, it is corresponding with the base in the other triangle, which is equals to MQ, sorry. MP equals to what? This part, it's equals to 8. But the other part, it is 8 plus 4. Okay? So it will be 8 out of 12. As a simplest form, it will be 2 out of 3. As you can see, angle M, it's a common. So M1, it is congruent with what? With angle M2. By using side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. So N, it is congruent with R. Let's see question 5. They say what? HL, it's parallel with JK. They mention LK, they say they are equals to 90 degrees. So angle K, it is congruent with angle L, okay? Angle G, it is a common, yes. So G1, it is congruent with G2. Let's see. By using angle, can I say these two triangles are similar? Yes. And pay attention, these two lines are parallel. Okay. This one, question 6. Because they made a line, this small line, so what that mean? That means it's isosceles triangle. If you remember, we have a property in isosceles triangle. We say in isosceles triangle, the angles, okay, as you can see here, in isosceles triangle, the base angle are congruent, okay? So if this one is 74, the other one, it will be 74 too, okay? Because, as I told you, in isosceles triangle, the base angles are congruent. Then 32 plus what equals, plus what, and plus what equals to 180, you have to, no, it's equals to 74 too. So 74, 74, and this one equals to 32 to be 180. Now, as you can see, okay, angle D, it is congruent with angle A or no? D, it is congruent with A. Okay, then what else? Angle C, it is congruent with angle E. Okay, by using AA, can I say these two triangles are similar? Yes. Then we have what? Question 7, KLM, KLM, this is the big one, and KNL, KNL, this is the second one. So the first point, which is equals to KK, it's a common one, common angles. K1, it's congruent with K2. Okay, K1 is congruent with K2. Then KL for the first triangle is corresponding with KN. Okay, KL equals to, sorry, KN, it is corresponding with KL. So it will be 4 out of 6. As the simplest form, it will be 2 out of 3. Then for the second triangle, KL, it is corresponding with KM. KL equals to what? Equals to 6. What about KM? KM, it will be 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5, which is equals to 9. As the simplest form, it will be 2 out of 3. Now we have angles and double sides, so it will be side, angle, side. By side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, so KLM, it's congruent with KNL. This one, okay. How can I solve it? As you can see, we have the number next to each side, so we will say what? VW, the base of this triangle, it's congruent with the base in another triangle, which is equals to XZ, 4 out of 5. This is the first one. The second one, UW, it is corresponding with what? With XY, which is equals to 4 out of 5 again. Then UV, it's out of YZ, which is equals to 4 out of 5. All the sides are proportional? Yes. So, by using side, 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 these two triangles are similar. Okay. Question 9. It's very important, question 9. Pay attention. They ask for what? The first one, you have to show that if it's similarity, angle A, it is congruent with the second triangle, so it's a common angle. A1 equals to A2. Okay, it is congruent with A2. Then, because they are parallel, D, it is congruent with what? With B. D is congruent with B. So by using angle, these two triangles are similar, but they say what? Find the missing one, which is equals to AB. Okay, AD it is given, but I don't know AB, so you have to find this part. How to solve it? We will say AD out of what? Out of AB, which is missing. Then the other side, ED, okay, the bases are corresponding, out of what? BC. Okay, AD, we have it equals to 6. AB, we don't have it. ED equals to 9 out of 15. Okay, you can simplify. Okay, now, sorry, cross product 9, we have 9AB equals to 16 times 5, 15 times 6 equals to 90. How to get rid of 9? Divide by 9, divide by 9. So AB equals to what? Equals to 10. So if they ask for AB equals to 10, but if they ask for AD, 6 plus 1 equals to 10 plus 4. If they ask for this small part, it will be 4. If they ask for all the sides, it will be 10. Okay? Then the other one, YW, why they are similar? Because angle U, they are parallel. So angle U is congruent with angle Y, and angle X is congruent with angle V. So by using angle, these two triangles are similar. Then you have to find this part. Okay? So we will say YW here. YW, it is corresponding with what? With WU. equals to xw out of wv. Okay, yw we don't have it. wu, which is equals to 9. xw, it's what, 8.75 out of 7. Okay, use cross product. 7yw equals to 8.75 times 9. 7yw equals to 78.75. How to get rid of 7? Divide by 7, divide by 7. yw equals to 11.25. Sorry. So this part equals to what? 11.25. Let's see. This one, it will be 170 out of what? 130. So it's equals to x out of 26. Again, use cross product. 130x equals to 4,420. Divide by 130 to get rid of 130. So x, it will be 34. This one, CD, it's 1 out of 3 AC. CE is equals to, sorry, it is 3, only 3 BC. So, and we have angle C, which is a common. So measure of C1, angle C1, it's congruent of the measure of C2. Okay, then CD, it is corresponding with what? With CA. CE, it is corresponding with CB or BC. This one is equals to what? 3 AC out of CA. The other one, it will be 3 CB out of 3C. So equals to 3 CB out of CB. By using side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. This one again, they are parallel. So angle R, it's a common. R1, it is congruent with R2. Then measure P and measure M, they are congruent because they are what? Parallel. That's why we will say angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. Even this one, it's isosceles triangle. So they say what? Show that they are similar. Okay. Angle H, because they are isosceles triangle. Angle H and angle L, they are congruent or no? Yes. Even J and K, they are congruent or no? Yes. Here and here, they are congruent because they are isosceles triangle. So even K and L, they are congruent. That's why by angle, they are similar. Now question 18. Okay. They ask for what? Find x, the value of x. Let's see how to find it. PQ, it is corresponding with what? With PS is equals to QR, it is corresponding with what? With ST. Okay. PQ equals to what? It's equals to 3. What about PS? It is 3 plus x. Okay. Equals to QR, it is 4. ST, it is what? X plus 5. So how can I solve it? Use cross product. 3 times x, it will be 3x equal, 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 5, 15 equals to 4 times 3, 12 plus 4 times x, 4x. Okay. Move 3 to the other side and 12 to the other side. 15 minus. When you move 12 to the other side, it will be negative. So it's equals to 4x. When you move 3x to the other side, it will be negative. So x equals to what? X equals to 3. Another one. How to find it? Okay. E.g., It's corresponding with what? With GH. e.g. it's corresponding with GH. And FG, it is corresponding with what? With GJ. Okay. Let's see. EG equals to what? 2x minus 2. Out of GH was equals to 15. The other one, FG, it's what? X plus 9. Out of what? Out of 20. Again, cross product. Okay. 2x times 20, it will be 40x minus 2 times 20 is equals to 40. 15 times x, 15x plus 9 times 15 equals to 135. Okay, move 15x to the other side and 14 to the other side. So 40x minus 15x equals to 135 plus 40, because when you move it to the other side it will be positive. Now 25x equals to what? 175. How to get rid of 25? Divide by 25, divide by 25. So equals x equals to 7. That's it. Okay. And let's, for this one they ask for what? Which solution for the y it's incorrect? A is correct, B it's incorrect. Okay. Then how to find the measure of TU? Okay, let's see how to solve TU. Okay, TU, it is corresponding with what? With PQ. Then the base of this triangle is what? This QR. But you have to start it with the other one. Okay, because you started with TU, so we will say TU out of PQ, then VU out of what? VU out of RQ. Then, okay, let's see. TU, we don't have it. PQ is what? It is 60. Is equals to UV equals to what? 20 plus 60. 20 plus 60. Okay, what about RQ? RQ, it is 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40. So TU out of 60 equals to 80 out of 100. Multiply them, cross product. 100 times TU, it will be 100 TU equals to 80 times 16, 4,800. How to get rid of 100? Divide by 100, divide by 100. 2 zeros, so they cancel each other, so TU equals to 48. Okay, so which one is correct? C. In this topic, we have another case. Okay, they ask for what? They give us 3 numbers, 4, 6, 7 in a parenthesis, and the other 3 numbers in another 3 parentheses. It will be 24, 36, and y. There is a quick way to solve it. There is a tricky way to solve it. Okay, 4 times what equals to 24? 4 times 6. Okay, 6 times what equals to 36 times 6. So 7 you have to multiply it by 6 equals to what? Equals to 42. That's why 42 is correct. Otherwise, if you don't know, for example, this one, how 6 is going to be 15? If you don't know it's multiplied by 2.5, how to solve it? Just write them as a 2 fractions like this. 6 out of 15, for example. Or you can say 8 out of 20. It's up to you, okay? 8 out of 20. It's equals to, but you must have this one, the missing one, is equals to 12 out of y. Okay, can I use simplify? Yes, out of 4 it's 2, out of 4 it's 5, so do cross product. Okay, 2 times y, 2y. 12 times 5 equals to what? Equals to 60. How to get rid of 2? Divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equals to what? Y equals to 30. Okay, so D is correct. Now, 4 times what equals to 24? 4 times 6. 6 times what equals to 36 times 6. So which number times 6 equals to 48? 8. 8 times 6 equals to 48. So I'm going to use 8. Then, okay, this one. Write similarity statement. These two questions. By which theorem can I say they are similar? As you can see, the angles are given, so you have to find the measure of each triangle. Then by using angle, these two triangles will be similar. Okay, for this question, sometimes they ask for MC, we found, which is equals to 10. Sometimes they ask for CB, which is equals to 4. Okay, and this one is a spiral review, which is equals to 48. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangle are what? Are similar, of course. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.